October is here, and according to many crypto pundits, this is the last leg of the bull run of this market cycle. And as we all know, when Bitcoin rises, so does the altcoins. But there are more than 10,000 altcoins present in the crypto universe, but out of which we have chosen our top 3 pick. So stay tuned to this video and find out what are our top picks for the altcoins that could actually take off in the month of October and give you amazing returns.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency or have any doubts, head over to Telegram, join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below, and this is completely free of cost. However, if you want to join our premium channel wherein we discuss about all the altcoins and what all should be our strategies, then you can reach out to me. My Telegram is given in the pinned comments. So without further delay, let's jump on to the first altcoin. So the first altcoin that we have chosen for this month is Polkadot. So Polkadot at this point of time is trading at around the $36 mark. Just below that, it made a high of about 37.45 today, but we are seeing a small pullback. Now, what is the reason behind choosing Polkadot? Now, one of the reasons is obviously fundamental. The reason being that like Kusama, Polkadot is also going to launch the crowd loans. Okay, what are crowd loans? If you want to know more details about crowd loans or how you can actually participate in crowd loans and make profits from them, you can leave a comment down below and I'll make a video explaining to you what exactly are crowd loans and the complete details about it, right? So what basically happens is you need to stake your Kusama. Right now it's on Kusama, so you need to stake your Kusama and in return you will get some token allocations which can take off. So one of the most popular tokens that we got from Kusama was Moon River, which we covered in last month's video as well. So the crowd loans are starting on Polkadot and people are expecting that it may take Polkadot beyond the all-time highs of $49 approximately, and we can see Polkadot touch the $50 mark finally. Okay, so that is something on the fundamental side. From the technical point of view, what we can see over here is that we have formed a beautiful double bottom pattern right here. Okay, if you move this to the line chart, you will be able to see it more precisely. So we have formed a beautiful double bottom pattern with this being the neckline about $33, right? So what we can do is that we have already crossed above it, and if we get a pullback to $33 and then this move will be confirmed. Now what is the price target from the short term? The short term price target out of this double bottom pattern comes to about 40 or $41, and that would also make a new higher high, which is important, right? As we can see, we made continuous higher highs here, then we made a lower low and another lower low. Now it is important for us to make a higher high in order to continue the uptrend. So that is the next target. So we need to make a higher high above the $38, which is extremely crucial for Polkadot going into the future. Now if I have to talk about the short term price targets, then of course let's get the 5th ZIA first. And on the 5th ZIA, what we can see is that there might be some resistance right here at around the $39 mark, which would be fine, but we might go to about $48 or $49 and we can see some pullback from these levels as well, because as we know, if we are breaching the 5th ZIA, then we can expect small pullback. So that is also on the cards. Now if you have to talk about the moving averages, then we are currently above all the moving averages that we tend to look at, that is the 20-day, 50-day, 100-day and the 200-day. So we are in a bullish trajectory right now. So the 20-day is just converging with the 50-day, which is actually good right now. So it is actually crossing above the 50-day again, so that will give some momentum as well. If I have to talk about the RSI, then let's take a quick look what the RSI has in store for us. So on the RSI, what we can see is that we formed double bottom on the RSI as well right here, like we formed on the price chart. So that is pretty bullish, and we have made higher highs on the RSI. That is important. But one of the things that was a bit of a concern to me was this line of resistance. Okay, as you can see right here, we were making lower highs and this was acting as a resistance. We went past it on the 6th of October and now we are forming this higher high. So we might come down here and then probably go up as well. So that keeps DOT as a bullish coin for this month. If I have to talk about the stochastic RSI and measure the momentum in the market, then the stochastic RSI is indicating that we might be in for a small pull down as well, because the blue line has crossed below the red line. So the blue line is currently at 93 and the red line is at 95. But mind you, this move is not yet confirmed until and unless we enter below 80, right? It could very well be the case that we might come down here and then take a leap as well. What we are expecting from the price action is we can come down to these levels of around 33, 34 once more, probably test this, treat this as support, and then take a leap in the future. And that leap might take dots to new all-time highs as well, because staking of dots would actually put a lot of pressure on the demand side, okay? And with the supply remaining constant and the demand rising, then we know the prices can go up as well. Now the next coin that we are going to talk about is something that which is my personal favorite for this particular month, okay? That coin is XTZ. So XTZ is currently trading at around $7.4 for our premium members. We had bought XTZ right at about $7 or so, so we are already in a bit of profit. But one of the important things to look out for in XTZ is that we are forming a beautiful cup and handle pattern right here, as you can see, okay? This is the cup, this is the handle. So yeah, this is from a much long-term perspective that we are seeing right now. And one of the other things that is happening right now with XTZ is that we have formed a W pattern, a double bottom pattern, which is pretty nice. But apart from that, we are actually forming a bull flag right here. As you can see, this is the flag and this is the flag pole, which comes all the way down from about $5.34. So if this is the flagpole, and if you have to do a measurement of the target of this bull flag, then our target comes to approximately $11.41. So that is also on the card. So there are three bullish patterns that are actually forming on XTZ right now, and that is the reason why our premium members have invested in it and why we are so bullish about XTZ. Now if I have to talk about the indicators, then let's take a quick look on the FIBONACI and see where are the resistance right now. So we saw a pullback from the highs of about $8.70. That is simply because of the reason that we breached the FIBONACI on the top, okay? So that as we have told multiple number of times, the FIBONACI gives us an indication that whenever we are breaching it, and on either side, it could be on the lower side, it could be on the top side, we can see a reversal in the price action as well. And we can see that we got a reversal from the highs of $9.17, and we came down right at the bottom of this red zone, and we found perfect support at the beginning of the blue zone. So that is also a fantastic structure as far as the XTZ USDT chart on the daily time frame is concerned. Also this right here, again, if we treat this as support, and then we can expect further move up. Now our price target was coming to about $11, but mind you, we might face certain resistance at around the $8.70 as well. Now if I have to talk about the RSI, let's take a quick look what the RSI is telling us. So on the RSI, things are pretty much similar what the price is actually telling us. So we formed a double bottom pattern right here, as you can see, or this could actually be a kind of head and shoulders pattern also, if you can draw the neckline from here. So this could actually serve as a inverse head and shoulder, which is again a bullish indicator on the RSI. Now we have seen some pullback. I think this is one more opportunity for us to get into TZOS if we have not already got into it. So TZOS is my personal favorite, and it could give you good returns for this particular month. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All the observations shared in this video are my personal opinions. Now if I have to take a quick look on the stochastic RSI, let's see what the stochastic RSI has in store for us. So on the daily time frame, the stochastic RSI is coming down, indicating that the momentum is down right now. Probably for another day or two we might see some sideways or downward movement. I personally feel that we might be testing the $7 mark as well, right? So the $7 is a good support, as you can see right here. So $7 is a critical support. If we are able to treat that as a support and then bounce up, it could be a great opportunity going forward as well. Now, what is the last coin that we have in store for you? The last coin is something that is driven to a great extent by the fundamental news that is coming out. Okay, the last coin is XRP. Now, XRP has been one of the most popular tokens, not only in this market cycle, but in the previous market cycle, that in the 2017-2018 market cycle as well, wherein it was able to gain the second spot as far as the market cap is concerned. It dethroned Ethereum, and for a brief period, it was the number 2 cryptocurrency in the universe. Right now it is trading at about $1.18, and if you have to take a quick look on the CoinGecko, we can see that it is currently number 6 with a market cap of about 56 billion approximately. Now, there are some fundamental news coming out from the case that the SEC is fighting against the Ripple Labs, that the XRP team might actually be winning it, and it might actually give a great boost to the XRP prices. Okay, now if you have to talk about XRP, what we can see here is basically we have formed this huge bottom right here, and we have formed this smaller bottom here. So if we have to take a measurement of this, then probably we can see price rise to about $1.60, and from there, if we have to break out, our price target for this market cycle remains to be around $2.50 mark as well for this complete market cycle. Okay, but for this month, I am personally believing that XRP might actually test the highs of about $1.50. That is extremely good given the current prices of $1.18. and if you are trading in futures, then with a 10x leverage, that could actually mean a gain of approximately 80 to 100% as well, depending on the leverage that you are taking. If I have to talk about the RSI for XRP, the RSI is indicating that we are on a move up. Okay, so this is extremely healthy as well from the RSI. There is no divergence whatsoever right here. Okay, so this is actually good. And if I have to talk about the stochastic RSI, then we have seen that the blue line has crossed above the red line, as you can see right here. Okay, the blue line has crossed above the red line, and this is actually very healthy. And but there is not for great room to grow, because we are already near the 95-96 points on the stochastic RSI. So there could be two possibilities. One could be that we might actually move sideways and the price could gain. Other possibility is that we might see a small correction and the prices may come down and test the support region of $1.09 or $1.10, because it has acted as a great support and resistance in the past. Okay, if I have to draw a straight line from here, what we can see is that it has acted as a strong resistance right here. It acted as a support here. It acted as a support in the past. It has acted as a strong resistance, multiple number of times during the crash or during the cool down period we had during May to July. It acted as a strong resistance as well. So the $1.08 is something that I am looking for. I'm not entering XRP right now, and our premium members have their trades set up for XRP as well. If we see a pullback, probably then we will enter XRP in the near future as well. So if you want to stay up to date as to what trades we are taking and what are some of our altcoin picks, now these are the altcoins for this complete month, but there are certain altcoins which we like to trade on a very short term basis. If you want to know that, you need to stay subscribed to our channel, because we share all the altcoins that we are trading and some of the altcoins that our premium members are also trading. So if you want to become a premium member, you can reach out to me on my Telegram. My Telegram link is given in the descriptions below as well as on the pinned comments. Right, so if you like the content, please smash up the like button. This will help us to reach out to more people, and I believe that we can actually reach out to more people and add values to their lives as well. Okay, also feel free to share this video with your friends and family, because this is the last leg of the bull run. Okay, and if we are not able to take advantage of this phase, probably we need to wait for another 3 to 4 years, probably when the next market cycle will start and next bull run will start. So this is a great opportunity. Next 2 to 3 months, things will get very hot very quickly, and probably Bitcoin might see finally the $100,000 mark that we all have been waiting for. And along with Bitcoin, several other altcoins will pump and see new all-time highs as well. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.